Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Tundra compilation video today here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. This 2023 Lunar Rock Tundra 4x4 is a limited model with a TRD Offroad package. We've installed an Icon Stage 4 setup on this one. We also did some Method MR701s in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours. We're open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturdays, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and sending us a message through our contact form. We're pretty much wrapping up the job here. The wheels and tires have been on and we've torqued all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. We're gonna bring it out for a quick test drive next. And who's interested in getting one of these spare tire trash bags from 88 Rotors? Make sure to comment down below and we'll pick a lucky winner to send one out to. Here's a 2023 Tundra TRD Pro that's in for a chop. He's preparing to clear some 37-inch tires with his new lift setup. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We publish videos on here quite frequently of lots of Toyota trucks, and if that's what you're into, you don't want to miss out. And just a recap, this right here received an Icon Stage 4 setup. We also included some rear lift springs and adjusted the front suspension to about 3 inches of lift. Wheels and tires here are the Method MR701s with some 35-inch Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. We are an authorized dealer for Falcon tires, so if you're looking for a shop with great inventory and the best prices, give us a call. Let's get you scheduled in with an appointment to get a set installed. We usually keep plenty of kits in stock for the 2022 Tundras and newer. We stock all of the Westcott Designs for all models and trims of the Tundra. We also do the Icon setups and the King suspension setups. We have some orders in for the Fox that has not been released yet, but once they are, we'll be fully stocked on them as well. Is there another brand of suspension lifts that you want to see us stock here at 88 Rotors for this new Tundra? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Maybe we'll do a big buy-in to get the price down for you guys so that we can give you the best price possible. Next up, we have this beautiful 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in Solar Octane. We previously installed a Westcott Designs lift kit on this one for both front and rear. The TRD Pro Westcott Designs lift consists of the front preload collar and top shim. Gives you a total of 2.5 inches of lift in the front with the spacer for your bump stop. For the rear end, there's a spacer for the rear shock and a 1-inch rear coil spacer. So overall, you're getting 2.5 inches up front and 1 inch in the rear with the Tundra TRD Pro Westcott Designs lift kit. This one came back in today for us to install a set of cambered kinetic billet uniball upper control arms. And by doing so, not only do we eliminate the weak factory ball joints, we're able to correct the camber and caster of the vehicle after the lift. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Of all of the new 3rd generation Toyota Tundras that come through here, I think the most popular models are the Tundra TRD Pro, and secondly, this one here. This right here is a Tundra 4x4 limited model with the TRD Offroad package. This model comes with the red Bilstein shocks. We're going to be doing the Westcott Designs lift kit on this one for both front and rear. The front is getting about 3 inches of lift, and the rear is getting 1 inch. Once the vehicle is staged properly and safely on the rack, all 4 wheels and tires come down. We then bring the wheels and tires over to the tire side of the shop to remove the factory TPMS sensors to swap over to the new wheels and tires. As you can see, we've installed the preload collar on this one and the top shim. Tech is seen here modifying the fender liner to clear the 35s properly. And this right here is the rear shock spacer that's included with the Westcott Designs lift kit. And the rear coil spacer has been installed up there where you can barely even see it. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. We work very hard to bring you this content, and it means the world to us when you support us by subscribing to the channel. For the wheels and tires on this one, the owner of the vehicle decided to go with our very popular Method MR305s in a double black finish. This comes in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. The tire of choice here is the very popular Toyo Open Country RTs in a 35, 12.5, 17. We are an authorized dealer for Method race wheels and Toyo tires. We carry the full line. So if you're out here in Southern California and you're looking for a shop that has great inventory and the best prices, reach out to us anytime and we'll get you taken care of. With the new lift, wheels, and tires installed, we're going to bring this one out for a quick test drive. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below and we'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Do keep in mind that we have a ton of videos on here and cannot possibly get to all videos to comment or respond to them all. But we do try our best to respond to comments within the first week or two of the video being published. And the last Tundra that we're showing you guys is this new 2023 Tundra TRD Pro. This one's in for a front and rear Westcott Designs lift kit, and we're upsizing the tires to a 35, 12.5, 18 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 that we're wrapping on the factory BBS TRD Pro wheels. The rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory, and you'll probably know what's happening when you watch it. So this right here is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. And until then, take care, guys.